Hello team, welcome to our phase 1 demonstration financial planning and analysis application. In this demo, I will review the core module completed. I may present them by grouping in 5 categories. These are user authentication, email verification, role-based access control. Then I will show how permission is created and assigned for role and further that role assigned for user. Financial data handling system. This one is for permitted user. Actually, the permitted user may upload financial data that is in an scripted way. May review financial data. Automatically, the system for reviewing is descripted. The user may update and delete based on the permission given for him or for her. And then I may show the audit logging system, the main activities that performed on this system and how and when and by whom it is conducted. We will demonstrate that one in audit log system. This audit log system is actually found on as you can see, this is the admin dashboard. I will come back to this one later. Finally, I will show the functionality test by Laravel testing system. To begin with, just this is I already logged in. Just let me log out and show how the login works. This one is simply the sample welcome page and login system. Here I may give the admin login. Just once it's logged in, you can find here. Here is a dashboard is there, audit log is there. Here role-based control management links are there. Here we can create permission role users. Here financial data overview or reports. Since I made this one for admin, I give all permission for this admin so that he can do the first phase of these activities. So the first thing is let us create one user and we'll see the login authentication and the email verification attached with this one. So user management system, as you can see, it is displayed here. So the username, the role, email, and we can assign or edit from here. For this demonstration, I will. Okay, from user management, let us create a new user. Just I'm going to create investor, so I may use the name of investor, and the email is just for this purpose. I created one email for testing. Just I use that email and let give credential email, and our password should be confirmed. Here one thing is just while I'm creating a new user, I may assign this role or later on just I can edit it. Let's give role while I'm creating. So create user. The user is successfully created. With this credential, let us attempt to log in from different browser. Let's attempt with the credential already I created. So first of all, let us see that email. Just the email is now database is empty, as well as in database of the user. Let's refresh it and see it. Here is the new user investor name with this email. The email is not yet verified. So for verification, just let from here, when the user is attempting to log in, just to ask us for email verification, so that I accustomed this one from Breeze actually. So has resend the verification email from this, then automatically the email is sent to the registered email. To find it, just the email verification comes through the Google. So from here, if email is verified, just directly it goes for custom dashboard. So here one thing, this is a simple dashboard. The unauthenticated and email verified is directed to. There is no permission is given. Once the permission is given for this user, he will access that permission on this dashboard. And we will see that one later by giving permission for this investor user. So let's come back to the user, the admin dashboard. From here, so as you can see, I already created. From here, I can edit the role of that one. Simply, I can remove and I can change it as a role, and I can save that roles. Directly, the roles is now changed. Simply, you can edit this investor, and while that one again, just you can change investor name. Let's say investor name 1. This for sake of demonstration. We intend to change the password. We can do that too. So here we can update it. So from here, just we can delete if we want. For the purpose of demonstration, I need this account. I can show the functionality of delete by deleting the name of analyst, the analyst roles, which is given for this person. When just try to delete, just it asks with this kind of pop-up. Just you may confirm. Once you confirm it, the user is immediately deleted and the deleted success is displayed. So with investor role, for investor role, the permission given, let us see what permission given for investor. For investor, nothing permission is given here. So let me give permission like what kind of view permission. Let's see financial data view. Let us update for that permission only. And if I came back and refresh this one, look, now another link is came with data overview. So that investor now access to view the uploaded data. Just we will see the uploading of these parts. Just this is categorized with tab. Just financial year is here. It's again displayed on subcategory of revenue, expenses, and the like, just with very attractive display. Just if you see the revenue kind is listed, and this amount, this currency, and the total is summed up, and again the subtotal is summed up here. And just this is the view of this financial data is permitted for this investor. Again, let me add one more permission for investor here. Just edit and let allow or edit financial data permission. If I allow, again become different, and let here there is nothing, but once it is refreshed, just you can see the action button came again with edit. Okay, so with edit, now let's see it with this product sale, this the number. With this edit permission, now we can remove or change this to 0 and update. So the permission is given for him directly. This investor edit. More functionality, let's for this advisor or investor, add this upload financial data, delete financial data, all financial data may be, and export maybe allowed for it. And once I upload it or update for it, now this action button completely updated with that permission. Look now, just directly different links are displayed for him. There is a place where investor can upload financial data, export. If you want, just he can delete it all. Okay, so if we attempt to upload, so just the Excel file is given, and from among that one, just you can upload. Since the upload I will demonstrate on the admin dashboard, so from here I don't want to do that. So this is how the permission, if we go for report, just we can find that one again. And with the export one, if you see directly at the displayed in the form of PDF, okay, directly on the browser, just we can browse it here. So financial data report, just a summary of that one. It is total records, just by whom it is again generated. Just displayed here. Okay, all that data is generated in PDF form. Okay, like I said, just audit logs shows what activity performed on this system, just total logs, today's logs, active users. The top action created is displayed. If you see the recent with 1 minute ago, data export PDF financial data is exported by whom? By investor name 1. So if we need to see the details of this one, we can open from here, and we can see that one log information. Okay, the name we change this one is investor name 1. The address, the action he or she took is data export PDF. So the description is the viewed financial data is reported in PDF in browser or just downloaded. And here just the user more specific information from where is access that link. This is more or less the controls the activity on this system. So let me demonstrate the financial data analysis or handling part, not financial data. Just let me delete all records available and let me upload. So this financial data is available in format of Excel. When we opened, actually I deleted, I don't have any data here. So if I upload it from here, directly this data is inserted into, now it is empty. Okay, once it is uploaded from here, it's already uploaded, we can find that one here. Look here, look here, just the sensitive type is encrypted in database. If somebody encounter this database system, just everything is meaningless for him unless it is decrypted by the system itself. So encrypted data is safe here. But while it is fetched from the database, it is de-decrypted again and it is visible here. So this is the way how we can upload the data, financial data system. So let the edit part is already we see. If I want to delete one single row, just single row, international relation, this part will be completely deleted and we will see it on the system. Okay, just the scan. So this is more or less how the system works. From here we can log out and again we can change the profile. Just actually that is custom from Breeze. Just we can update and we can delete your account too. So this all about these parts. And one thing just what we did is this is a manual testing of financial planning and analysis phase 1. With all this, we want to demonstrate the functionality of this one by Laravel test system. Okay, Laravel test system. We will see that the effects. So in Laravel already there is a test with this one. If feature test and the unit test is there, for this system just I merely work with the feature test, the entire system test. Or authentication, very important part is the authentication. Just the system should be authenticated, personally should have access, and the financial data control test, permission control test, role control test, and user control tests is already created and tested. Let us run and see the effects by running that one on terminal. Just this command need be performed artisan php artisan test. Maybe on environment test we can test that one. Once we run the PHP artisan test, it tests all functionality of the system with a single command and deployed here which routes and which control and views are okay with this one. Once the test run, it displayed for us all the system paths. Look, as under authentication, the user authentication test, user registration page is accessible, user can register. Actually, this is the authentication comes from Breeze. Login page is accessible, user can log in. Forget password page is accessible. Password reset link can be requested. With authentication regard, all activities is passed. Okay, so this indicates that this system is stable and secured one. Another financial data control test, just the financial data index page is accessible and the financial data edit page is also accessible. With the permission control tests, the permission index page is accessible. Again, the permission create page is accessible. Permission stored, edit, update, delete. If look again, permission is only deleted if it is not assigned for roles. Once it is assigned for roles, just you cannot delete that part too. Again, here the permission cannot be deleted if that is confirmed again. Role control tests. In role control test, the role index page is accessible, the create page is accessible. Role can be stored and edited, updated. Again, it is deleted if it is not further assigned for users. And again, the user control test. Actually, we don't use the Breeze registration system for our financial planning and analyze system because we have to create our user by our own and accredit it for authentication credentials. So just for this all, just around 37 passed with 71 assertions. Okay, more or less, this is the first draft. Now I will send the source code for it for review, and it is now ready for comments and suggestion. Thank you once again for your time and your genuine feedback. Thank you once again. See you.